Hello students, welcome to maths period. Today we're going to start our new lesson, that is division. Now what is division we will see in this lesson. So in that the first is given Arun has 6 bananas. He want to share this equally into 3 groups. So how many bananas will each group have? So total number of bananas. How many bananas Arun have? That is 6. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he want to divide this into 3 groups equally. So how he will divide? So each group have how many bananas? 2 bananas, right? 1, 2, 3. So 3 groups, and one group have how many bananas? 2 bananas. So this process of sharing and dividing the things equally called as division. We will share or divide the things equally called as division. So what is division? We'll understand it with more details. So in that the example is given. Lata's mother had 8 cookies. Lata's friend Asha came to visit her. So mother divided the cookie equally between Lata and her friend. How many cookies did each have? So the example is given. Lata's mother have how many cookies? 8 cookies. You can see here 8 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cookies are there. So Lata's friend Asha came to visit her. So now she will divide these 8 cookies in two friends. These two friends Asha and Lata. So one friend got how many cookies, that we will see. So 8 cookies are there, as 2 friends are there, so she will divide it equally into 2 groups. So one group has how many cookies? 4 cookies. So 4 and 4 is become 8. So this is the equal sharing of thing called as division. So how we will do it? So here is given, that is 8 is divided into 2 groups. So we say that 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. So how we will write the division? As total number of cookies are 8. So 8, and how many groups are there? 2 groups. Lata and her friend Asha. 2 members are there, so 2 groups are there. So 8 divided by 2. So now we'll find out the 8 in 2's table. So 2 how many is 8? At which place 8 comes in 2's table? 2 4s are 8, right? So the answer is 4. 2 4s are 8. This sign is the sign of division. The straight line and the 2 dots above and below to it is the sign of division. So how you will read this? 8 divide by 2. So what you will do? You will find out the first number in the table of second number. So 8 how many is 2 how many is 8? 2 4s are 8. So 4 is your answer. So here 8 is a dividend. The first number is called as dividend. The second number is called, so we'll see this in later. So here 8 is divided into two groups. So each group contain 4 cookies. One more sum is there. Anita bought 12 clips. She has to divide this equally into 3 groups. How many clips will each group have? So Anita bought 12 clips. Number of clips are 12. And now she will divide these 12 clips into 3 groups. So one group will contain how many clips, that we have to find. So here 12 clips are divided into 3 groups. So one group has how many? 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So one group has how many? 4 clips. So each group contain 4 clips. So therefore how we will divide it? We can say that 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. And how we will write this sum? As 12 clips are there, total number of clips are 12, and how many groups are there? 3. So how we will arrange this sum? 12 divided by 3. Now how you will divide? So you will find the 12 in the table of 3. So count the table of 3 up to 12. So 3 how many is 12? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. At which place? Fourth place. So what is your answer? 4. So 3 4s are 12. So this 12 clips are divided into 4 clips. Each group will have 4 clips. So it means that when 12 is divided into 3 equal groups, each group contains 4 clips. So in this, the point that we have to remember is the sign for division is this, and the statement says 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 is called as the division fact. The writing process is called as division fact. With this, we'll start our exercise 2.1. Write the division fact. How many total apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 total apples are there. So we'll write 9 first in first box. And how many groups are there? 1 group, 2 group and 3 group. So second number is 3, number of groups. So 9 divided by 3. So what will be the answer? One group has how many apples? That is 3. So this is answer is 3. And next another one is you will count the table of 3 up to 9. So 3 how many is a 9? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So at which place? Third place. So you will write 3 in the box. So this is the division fact. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 is your division fact. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. 18 marbles have divided into dash dash equal groups. How many marbles are there in the given picture? 18 marbles are there, and that are divided into how many groups? This is group 1, group 2, group 3. How many groups are there? 3 equal groups, right? So you will write 3. Each group has, one group has how many marbles? Each group have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One group has how many marbles? 6 marbles. So we will write here 6. So 18, why 18? 18 marbles are there. So first number is 18 and divide by 3. Why 3? Because 3 groups are there. 1, 2, 3. So number of group is 3. So what will be the answer? 3 how many is 18? You will find out 18 in 3's table. So count the table of 3 up to 18. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18. So at which place 18 got? At 6th place. So you will write 6 in the box. So one group has 6 marbles. This is your answer. Now next is divide 30 toffees among 6 children. So number of toffees, these chocolates or the toffees, how many? 30. And that we have to divide in 6 children equally. So one children will have how many toffee? That we have to find. So here each child will get dash dash toffees. So how many? 30. Total number of toffees 30 divided by how many groups are there? 6. So 30 divided by 6. So 6 how many is a 30? Count the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. At which place? 5th place. So you will write here 5. So 6 fives are 30. So answer is 5. So one group has how many toffees? 5 toffees. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one group has 5 toffees. Right. So this is how you can do it. Now distribute 12 stick ice cream among 6 students. Number of ice creams are 12, and that you have to divide in 6 students equally. So what you will do? You will divide it. So how many? 12. So 12 divided by 6. So count the table of 6 up to 12. 6 how many is 12? 6 twos are 12. So what is your answer? 2. That means one group has 2 ice creams. You can see here one group has 2 ice creams, right? So 2. Each students will get 2 stick ice cream. So next is question number 5. Divide the following objects in equal groups as directed. So first is 3 equal groups. So you have to divide this all mangoes in 3 groups. So how many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 mangoes are there, and how many groups are there? 3. So you will write 6 divided by 3. Now what you will do, you will count the table of 3 up to 6. So 3, how many is a 6? Count the table of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So one group has how many mangoes? 2 mangoes. So divide it. So this is one group, this is second group, and this is third group. Equal sharing is there? Yes. Now 7 equal groups. Now you have to share this I think lollipop into 7 equal groups. So how many? First we will count the number of these lollipops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These 14 lollipops are there, and that you have to divide in how many groups? 7 groups. So divide by 7. So 7, how many is a 14? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So one group has how many lollipops? 2 lollipops. So divide it into 2. This is one group, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7, right? These 7 equal groups are there. Now ring in groups of 9 fish each. In one group 9 fish should be there. So how many groups are there? That we have to write. So ring this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fish in one group. So ring that. So 9. This is one ring. Now next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So next is also second ring. Now next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And next last one is also 9. So how many rings are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many groups are there? 4 groups are there, right? So you will write 4. Now next is ring in group of 5 birds each. So you have to now number of many birds are there, and that you have to divide into 5 birds in one group. So divide it now. So divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you have to divide 3, 4. You can take any bird, but one group should contain 5 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is remaining group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many groups are there? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many groups are there? 9 groups are there. So this is how we have complete here our exercise. I hope you understand this.